Welcome to Boop Rhymes. Let's sing, smile, and giggle together. Giggle, boop.
1, 2, 3, 4. Quack, 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 it's a sunny day. The ducks all line in a bright display. Flappy wings and feet that sway. Here they come, the Duck Quack Parade. Marching, waddling, one by one, quacking loud. Oh, what fun! Yellow feathers shining bright, left and right in happy light. Mama duck leads with a quack so clear. Baby ducklings follow near. Quack, 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 don't be late. Join us at the parade gate. Waddle, wiggle, splash and play. The pond becomes a stage today. Quacking tunes in a rowdy song. All the ducks sing loud and strong. Some ducks dance with funny feet. Some ducks tap to a quacky beat. Fluffy tails go side to side. Cheering crowds clap with pride. Quack, 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 the trumpets blow. Ducks in hats put on a show. Some wear bows and some wear crowns, marching proudly through the town. Big ducks, small ducks, white and brown. Every duck wears a smile, not a frown. They flap their wings like banners high, filling joy in the bright blue sky. Splashy steps on the puddle street, drumming sounds from webby feet. Join the fun, the duckies say. Let's all quack and laugh today. When the sun begins to fade, still they march the Duck Quack Parade. Quackity quack till the stars appear, the happiest sound you'll ever hear. So clap your hands and shout hooray for the quacky, wacky, splashy way. Feathers shining, music made, all together the Duck Quack Parade. Wop, 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 wop.